Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our live broadcast. We are Mitsubishi Stainless Steel Corporated. Established in 2001, it's one of the largest suppliers of stainless steel welded tubes in China. Our factory located in Foshan City, which is only 1 hour far from Guangzhou. When you come to China, welcome to visit our company. Today, our live broadcast will have two parts. First one, we will introduce our company and products in briefly. Secondly, I will share some latest news concerning stainless steel markets. Hope you will like. Okay, our main product is stainless steel welded tubes in ASTM A554 and A270 standard. For A554 standard tubes, it's mainly used for decoration and construction. For A270 tubes are used for sanitary. Here you can see. For A554, it also has the European standard. The EN, those are EN standard. This one is for round tube, this one is for square tube, and this is for sanitary tube, and this one is industrial tube for pressure tube. And this material we can make 201, 304, 304L, 316L, and 430. Also, here I'm going to show you our meal test certificate. This one is for 316. 316. Here you can see the nickel is more than 10%, and this one is more than 18%. 316 material. Okay, this one is 304. 304. Nickel is more than 8%, and this one is more than 18%. 304. Okay, next one is 201. Here 201, you can see the nickel is more than 1%. 201. Okay, for surface finish, we can make mill finish 13 such as 180 grades, 240 grades, 320 grades, also 400 grades. Here you can see here. For polish, also some customers said brighten surface 600 grades, also mirror 800 grades. But for 800 grades, the cost is much higher than 600 grades. All of the surface we can make it as long as you have demand. For round tube, we can do the size from 6 mm to 323. The size. Minimum size is from 6. The most regular one is in Europe. The most popular one is 42.4, also 48.3, like this. And for rectangular tube, we can do this one. The minimum we can do 20 by 10, and the largest one we can make 200 by 100. This is a rectangular tube. The size list. If you cannot see it clearly, you can contact us and we can send the catalog to you by email. Also for square tube, the minimum size we can make is 10 by 10, and the largest we can make is 200 by 200. For thickness, we can make from 0.3 to 5 millimeters. For for more information, you can contact us. We can send those information to you by email. You can see our contact information here. The regular tube length we can make it 6 meter, also 6.1 or 5.8 meter. If you have special requirements such as 3 meter, 4 meter, or other lengths, we can also make it. So about is the general information. Tube samples are available for you to check quality. If you have any demand or question, welcome to contact us. And now let us see how to make tubes in the factory. Because we are in office now, so we print some pictures to help you to know more. If you want to know, see our factory, you can have video with us, and we can make a meeting in the factory. Here, first one is the raw material. Here you can see this is the stainless steel chip. For 201, 304, 304L, 316, 316L, and the 413. The raw material we produce from Qinshan Group. Qinshan Group is a famous group. The raw material. We will install the strip on the runner. When machine runs, the strip will go into the machine. Here you can see it. And the next one, it goes to the bending process. Bending. The machine will bend the material into the tube shape, round, square, or rectangular. This is the bending process. And then it's the welding. Our welding way is TIG welding. TIG welding. Okay, here you can see it. And the next one is the cooling. Here you can see the cooling tube by water. Cooling process. And now the tube is in round, and we can cut it into the length we need. Here you can see the tube, and here in this part, this is the mere finished tube. Here. We put the mere finished tube here. Okay. Then, if you need the surface finish, we come to the polish. Polish process. Yeah, this is how we polish the tubes. We can do 13, such as 180 grades, 240 grades, 320 grades, also 400 grades. But the cost for 400 grades is rather higher. Okay, till now, all the tubes is finished production. Then we need to check the tube quality. Here, we will check each tube piece by piece. They will test the size, thickness, length, and also check the straightness and the surface. Here you can see this one. This process is check the thickness. It's within 10% tolerance. And here, this one test the outer diameter. This one, outer diameter check. And let me see, this one we also will check the length here. Also we will check the surface finish and the straightness. After the quality check, we will pack the tube. Here you can see our packing here. We will pack each tube by a poly bag. Also, there will one label on each tube. The label information such as the grade and the size and the heat number, surface, like those information. If you don't want the tube stick on the the label stick on the tube. We also could stick the label on the poly bag. Here you can see those are finished poly bag. Then we will pack several tubes into one big bundle. In such strap, it will help you to better stock in your warehouse. Also, in each bundle, we will have one label like this, such as the information, a standard material grade, surface finish, size, kit number, and the bundle number like this. If you cannot see it clearly, you can contact us and we can send it to you by email. Okay, this is all the packing. After packing, we will put the tubes in our warehouse. Here you can see we have lots of tubes here. Normally, after tube finish production, we will put the tubes in our warehouse, maybe at least put in the warehouse maybe 7 days. 7 days. During the 7 days, we will book the shipment. Once book shipment, we will arrange the loading. Here you can see our loading here. We loading the tube by the truck here. After loading the whole process finished, and then you can just wait for the container around your port, and you go to pick up the container. You go to your company, and you can check out quality. About or is our entire process of production to shipment. If you have any more questions, you can contact us here. You can contact us here. You can send us email or contact us by WhatsApp. Here you can see here this is our WhatsApp number. You can talk with us in WhatsApp or send email. Here this one misky@misky.ss.com or email. Also, you can call our office telephone number here. This is our office address. If you want to visit our company, you can just let us know in advance. If you will be warmly welcome. You can contact us. Once again, if you need tube samples, you can also contact us, and we will prepare for you. In Europe, the most popular tube samples is 42 part 2 in 30 surface, such as 320 gauge surface. Also, for square and rectangular tube, the most popular one is 40 by 40 by 2 millimeter. Also, some customers like 1.2 or 1.5 millimeter thickness. Actually, we export a lot of tubes to Europe, such as Germany, Spain, Poland, UK, those countries. If you have any demand, welcome to send inquiry to us with our contact information. If you have any more questions, you can send email or contact us directly here. Okay, let me show you once again our main product. Our main product is stainless steel welded tubes in ASTM A554 and the A270. Also, you can see the EU standard here. This is for round tube, square and rectangular tube. This one is for cylinder tube, and this one is for pressure tube. The material we can make is 201, 304, 304L, 316, 316L, and 430. Here the shape and the surface finish we can make raw mere finish. Also, some people just quite raw tube.